Hey everyone, here's a question from mensuration of class X. The question is, what will happen to an area of square if its side is tripled and second one is increased by half of it? So they're asking what happens if you change the side, like if the side is tripled. Tripled means if you're increasing the side three times more. The three times more is called as tripled here. Now let's assume that the side of the actual square is A. Okay, this was a side of the actual square without changing the side. The normal side of the square is A. Then what will be the area of square? So we know area of square is side into side, right, or A into A, where A is side, right? So it will be, or let me write down, side multiplied by side is the formula for the area of square. But what is side we have taken? It is A. So A into A, which is A square. Yeah. Now this is the area of the old square. Now we're going to change it. We're going to find out the area of a new square whose side is tripled. Now this is the first question. Like I said, tripled means three times more. So side will become 3 into A. So 3 times more than the old one. Old one is A. So 3 times the A. So it will become 3A. Now if the side is 3A, then what will be the area? Obviously area will not be same, right? It will gonna change. So what is area then? So area will become, we know area formula is side into side, and side here is 3A. So this will become 3A into 3A. Now multiply the numbers. So 3 3s is 9, and A into A will become A square, 9A square. Now you can see that the area here is A square. Area of the old square is A square, and the area of a new square is 9A square. So if you compare, you can see that this 9 is here, which means the area is 9 times more than the old square area. I hope it's clear. So let us conclude that therefore it is 9 times the old area. 9 times the old area. Old area is the actual square what we have taken in the beginning. I hope it is clear. Now in second question they have given that increased by half of it. Now this is very important to understand how the side is. Now we know that side here is A. Now and apart from that they have increased by half of it. So increased means plus will come, decrease means minus, you have to subtract it. Now this is the side A and they have increased means plus by how much? By half of it. So by half of the side. So A is the actual side and they have increased by half of it. So it will be A by 2, half of the side. Okay. Now how to do this? So you have learned the fraction, how to add the fraction. Now we don't, this is A here is a whole number. We don't have a number in the denominator. So we're going to write it as A by 1. Now we have learned how to add them. We're going to take the LCM of denominator because they are not same. We're going to make it same. So denominator LCM is 1 and 2, which will be 2. Now we're going to change the denominators to 2. So I'm going to directly do here. We know that we have 1. So this one I have to make it 2 so that we can add the fractions. Now to do this we have to multiply. So with what number I should multiply to get 2 in the denominator? It is 2 because 1 2 is 2, right? So you should multiply 2 in the numerator. I'm just adding this like how we have learnt in your fraction chapter how to add the fraction the same way. Plus A by 2, the second number. Now in second number we're not changing anything because we already have a 2 in the denominator and we want 2 here, so we don't have to do any changes there. Now this will be equal to 2A by 2 plus A by 2. Now you can see they are like fractions, so we can add them. So 2 will be there in the denominator, add the numerator. So it will be 2A plus A, which will be 3A by 2. Now 3A by 2 is the side now. We just got the side. They have given increased by half of it. So this A was the actual side plus the half of it. So total the side has become 3A by 2. Now we have to find out the area. Now area will be equal to, so I'm going to solve here. So area is equal to, we know area formula is side into side. Side here is 3A by 2. So 3A by 2 multiplied by 3A by 2. Okay. Now this will become, now I hope you have learned how to multiply. If you have learned this, that's okay. If you have not, I'm going to explain you. When you're multiplying two fractions here, you have to multiply the numerator. So this 2 will get multiplied and this 2 will get multiplied. Numerators will get multiplied and denominators will get multiplied. So 3 3s are 9. So we'll get 9. A into A is A square by 2 2s are 4. 9 by 4 A square. And you can see that the actual area was A square. The area of old square was A square. And here we got 9 by 4 A square, which means this square, the new square, is 9 by 4 times the old area. I hope it is clear. So we're going to conclude the answer. So this is therefore 9 by 4 times the old area. If you compare, it is more. How much more? 9 by 4 times. That's it. So I hope this question is clear how to solve. In case you have further question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.